Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss exercise 5.3 from question number 3rd. So let's see one by one. Question number we have formula. कौन से फॉर्मूला है? Okay, let's see. Formulas are some formulas. The formula of sum S is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d and over and one more formula when we have direct s is equals to n by 2 and when we have only the last term, that means a plus an. Okay, this formula will be also used in this chapter, a plus an, and also the last exercise formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, this formula will be also used in this exercise. So let's see question number 3rd. Question number 3rd given. What is given here? A is equals to 5, D is equals to 3, AN is equals to 50. So find N and Sn. Okay, so we know this one is also Sn. ये Sn भी लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे इस कॉलम, ठीक है, and n. तो we are putting the formula here. We know a is known, d is known. Okay, and also find Sn. Sn is also, मतलब that means there is a 3 unknown. That's the we are not putting in this formula value of. So we can put value on this. Okay, so let's find n. So an is equals to solution an from an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. So here an is equals to 50. Okay, a is equals to a is 5 plus n find out करना है n minus 1 and d is 3. Okay, so यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली वैल्यू पुट करिए and get the value. Okay, 50 minus 5 is equals to n minus 1 3. That means we can write here 45 and divided by 3. इस 3 को यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा 15. ओके, एंड हियर -1 किधर लेके जाऊंगा, तो ये हो जाएगा +1. राइट इट, दैट मीन्स इट बिकम n is equals to 16. दिस इज आवर आंसर. ओके, तो n is equals to कितना हो गया, we got n is equals to 16 and find out Sn is equals to. So here we can put the value on this formula because we know a and an also and n by 2 also. Okay, so it is so easy formula. So let's see. Sn is equals to n by 2. N is 16 by 2 and A is 5 plus an is a 50. Okay, so this one is 8 55. Okay, so 8 5 is 40 44. Sn is equals to 44. This is our answer. ओके डी स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसे ही आपको क्या करना है, पूरे क्वेश्चंस में ऐसे ही करना है, किसी में ए फाइंड आउट करना है, किसी में डी फाइंड आउट करना है, तो ए डी और एन इस फॉर्मूला से निकल जाएगा व्हेन ए एन और ए कोई भी इनमें से देयर इज अ 4 variables 1 2 3 4 that means any 3 variables when we given from anywhere, किसी भी फॉर्मूला में अगर जैसे कि अगर 3 वेरिएबल्स हैं तो 2 वेरिएबल्स होना चाहिए, मतलब एक ही अननोन होगा तो ये फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज नॉट। ओके, एक से ज्यादा अगर अननोन है दैट मींस वी कैन यूजिंग सम अदर मेथड जस्ट लाइक वेरिएबल्स वाले में जो पढ़े थे वो यूज करेंगे। ठीक है, एक दो क्वेश्चन और देखते हैं। ये क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट था आपका, ठीक है, इसी में अब सेकंड क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। ठीक है, व्हाट इज सेकंड क्वेश्चन? given a is equals to 7, a 13 is equals to 35, find D and S13. Okay, so let's see. A13. Okay, so here A is given, A13 is given, A13 given, that means this is an, that means an is equals to n is equals to this one is n. Okay, so n is equals to 13. ठीक है, A is known, A13 known, n is equals to 13, D and S13. So we are putting the value here. A is known, an is also known. So let's see an. Okay, that means A13 directly find out करते हैं, तो A13 is written by A plus n is 13 minus 1 D. Okay, तो A13 is equals to 12 D. Okay, तो D फाइंड आउट करने, A पता है, A13 पता है, A भी पता है। ठीक है, so putting the value here, that means A13, value of A13 is 35, value of A is 7, 12 and D. Okay, so transfer this value here, that means 35 minus 7 is equals to 12 D. Okay, so that here we got 28, okay, is equals to divided by 12, that means D is equals to 2 1 जा, 2 4 जा, 2 6 जा, 2 3 जा, 2 7 जा, that means D is equals to 7/3. Okay, student, D is equals to 7/3. So we can find out H13. So we will directly putting the value on this. Okay, because we know an is a 13, an is a 13. So put here Sn n by 2 a plus an. Okay, So here Sn, that means it is S13, 13 by 2. Value of A is 7 plus value of is 35. Okay, so we will find out 13 by 2, and this one is 42. So we will find out S13 is equals to 13 into 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja. So this is our answer. S13 is equals to 273. ऐसे आपको पूरे क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे बना लेना है, ठीक है? ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एंड ऑल्सो वी नो n इज इक्वल्स टू, हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, इसका मतलब l भी होता है, ठीक है? तो ये भी आप ध्यान रखेंगे. वी कैन राइट ऑल्सो l. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज सेड, हाउ मेनी टर्म्स ऑफ द AP 9, 17, 25 up to so on must be taken to give a sum of 636. Okay, so given AP is sum is denoted as is given 636. Okay, so must be taken to give a sum, which number? So here is a question is find out to n. Okay, so from here we can find out A is equals to 9, D is equals to 17 minus 9 is equals to, ठीक है, 8. Okay, so find out n as is equals to, from this formula s is equals to a is given, a is not given, that means we can use this formula, n by 2, 2a, value of a is 9. Okay, plus n, what is n? N is a unknown, we can find out n furthermore 4, and d is equals to 8. Okay, so directly we find out the value. S is equals to x is equals to 636 is given, n is equals to, we will find out it, n by 2, this one is 18 plus n minus 1, 8. Okay, so this one is 636 is equals to n by 2, multiply of this n, that means we get 18 plus 8n minus 8, that means we get 636 is equals to n by 2, 18 minus 8, that means it become 10, and plus 8n, 636. Here is a 2 is common, multiply of n inside. Okay, and 2 is common, take outside from the bracket, and take inside of n, that means we get it become 2 is common, that means 2. Okay, and add inside, going inside, that means 5n plus 4n square. Okay dear students, this value is getting, so n by 2 by 2 is cancelled, transfer to this value 636, that means we get 4 n square plus 5n minus 636. ओके, तो अब ये क्या बन गया आपका, इज इक्वल्स टू 0. ओके, सो हियर they each become a quadratic equation. Okay, so quadratic equation से हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we will find out this by through the value a is equals to okay, here we finding out n, that means n is equals to, we can write here minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. ओके, इसमें आप वैल्यू पुट करो एंड वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ n. ओके, देयर इज two suitable values of n we getting. One is suitable for the both are the correct answers. Okay, for this LP. So this is our final answer. Okay dear student, इसके आगे आप लोग सॉल्व करेंगे अपनी कॉपी में. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से आप लोग इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन या फिर आप ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं अपने अकॉर्डिंग. आप जैसे भी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करें, यू कैन डू इट एंड वी गेटिंग अ वैल्यू ऑफ n. दिस इज आवर आंसर. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. The first term of AP is 5. Okay, that means given is a is equals to 5. The last term is 45. That means this is an. Okay, suppose so this one is become 45. Okay, and the sum is 400. S is equals to 400. Okay, and find the number of terms. Here we will find n. Okay, and common difference d. Okay, n and d find out करना है आपको. ठीक है, a is given, s is given. Put the value in this formula and we will find out the every. From here you get n. Okay, and from here also put the value here. Then after that put the value here. That means then after that you get the value of d. Okay dear students, ये था क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Very easy. Question number 6. The first and the last term of an AP is are 17 and 3. First term a is equals to 17. Last term an is equals to 350. Okay, respectively. If the common difference is 9, d is equals to 9. How many terms are there and what is their sum? That means we will find out n is equals to, and also d is equals to. Okay, so it is very easy also. सम फाइंड करने के लिए here is we know, put the value here. ठीक है, a n and d we get from here n and put this value in here. That means we get the sum of this AP. Okay, this is our solution. यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट करना है फर्स्ट 22 टर्म्स. ओके, दैट मीन्स AP is in which d is equals to 7. 22nd term is 149 and to find out the s. Only these two terms are given. Okay, तो let कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे let. This one is last term, या फिर यहाँ से लिख लेते हैं n is equals to 22. Okay, तो find out the first n find out कर लेते हैं यहाँ से solution. this one is A22, A plus 22 minus 1 D. Okay, value of D is बाद में put करेंगे. So A22 is A plus 21D. Okay, so A22 is 149 is equals to value of A is find out करना. A plus 21 multiplied by 7. Okay, so 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 147. That means A is equals to 149 minus 147. So A is equals to 102. Okay, dear students, this is our answer. A is equals to second, and value of A is known. Okay, and value of D is known, N is known. Put the value here, or let A22 is the last term, so An is equals to A22, so L is equals to this one results. Okay, so put the value on this number. Let A22 is the last term. ओके, ये आप इसके लिए लिखेंगे N22 के लिए. So S22 is given by N is 22 by 2. A is 2 plus An is equals to 149. Okay, so S22 की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. 22 11 151. Okay, this one is 1661. S22 answer. Okay, dear student, this is question number 7. 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms. First sum 51 terms is given by 51 is equals to, okay, and AP is of an AP was second and third term are. Second term is given by A second is given by A plus D. Okay, A plus D is equals to 14. Question number 1, and third term is A plus 2D is equals to 18. Okay, this is question number 2. Subtract question number equation number 2 to 1. You get the value of A and value of D. Okay, dear students, and value of D, value of A, and we know S51 terms को निकालना है. That means let A51 term okay, from here this is N is we denote as N. Okay, so this one is N is equals to 51. Okay, so A का वैल्यू पता है, यहाँ से A is known, D is known, N is known. Okay, so find out the value of S51 from here. Okay, this is question number 8. Question number 9. Question number 9. If the sum of first 7 terms of AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. Okay, तो इसमें find out करना है n terms, that means this one. Okay, so we will find out, या फिर इस भी वैल्यू में रख सकते हैं, देखते हैं ठीक है क्या होता है. If the sum of first 7 terms is of an AP is 49, that is given by S7 is equals to 49. Okay, and given लिखेंगे यहाँ पे, and 17 terms is 289. So S7 is given by 7 by 2, 7 है ठीक है, n का मतलब वैल्यू 7 होगी, 7 by 2. A का वैल्यू नहीं पता, D का वैल्यू नहीं पता ठीक है. n टर्म्स के लिए निकालना है, तो ये हम लोग लिख लेते हैं यहां से, वैल्यू ऑफ A और D यहां से निकल जाएगा 2A प्लस वैल्यू ऑफ n is 7 minus 1 D. Okay, so S7 is equals to 7 by 2 is given by 49. यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट कर देते हैं इसको 7 by 2 and 2A plus 60. Okay, so here common here 249, इसको डिवाइड में यहाँ पे लाते हैं ठीक है, यहाँ से 2 कॉमन ले लेते हैं, दैट मीन्स 2 by 2 and A plus 3D. Okay, so here 7 is equals to A plus 3D, या तो फिर इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं A plus 3D is equals to 7, equation number 1. Similarly for this, similarly S17 is equals to 17 by 2 2A plus 17 minus 1 D. Okay, when we solved it, okay, that A plus 8D is equals to 17. ठीक है, दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 7. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये वैल्यू मिलेगा आपको. ठीक है, सो इसमें से क्या करेंगे, किसी एक इक्वेशन को एक दूसरे से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, ए का वैल्यू कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, वहां सब्ट्रैक्ट करना 2 to 1, 2 minus 1. Okay, so we will get this value to this value. Okay, then we getting the value of A. ठीक है, and D. So इसमें तो A और D की वैल्यू पुट नहीं कर सकते, पुट तो इसमें ही करेंगे. ठीक है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसमें A और D के वैल्यू पुट कर देना, देन वी गेटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ n. जो भी n मिलेगा दैट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ n टर्म्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. So that A1, A2, An form an AP where An is defined as below. Given number of question number first. ठीक है, first An is equals to 3 plus 4n. This is first question and second question हम अपनी सेल्फ से करेंगे. ठीक है, इसके एक बता दो, एक अपनी तरफ से आप खुद करेंगे. So show करना this is an AP. So put the value of n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Okay, so what we will find, let putting the value of 1, that means we get 3. A1 is the, मतलब ये कोई AP है, ये प्रूफ करना. ठीक है, सो इसके लिए क्या होना चाहिए, एक पता होना चाहिए, A निकलेगा यहाँ से. ठीक है, and D is equal, that means this is AP. Okay, so 3 minus 3 plus 4n अब n की वैल्यू कितनी 1 है, दैट मीन्स a1 इज इक्वल्स टू 7, a2 इज 3 प्लस 4 to the 8, 3 that is 11, a3 is 3 plus 4 3 is 12, that is 12 plus 15, ठीक है, and a4 is 3 plus 16, that is 19. Okay, so ऐसे ही करते करते this one is become an is equals to 3 plus 4n. Okay, so let's say this one is a1 first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Okay, and up to so on, this is n terms, an. Okay, so here we will find out d. So how we will find out d? D is find out by through the a2 minus a1 is equals to 11 minus 7 is equals to 4. Okay, and also check some more d. Let's check a3 minus a2 is 15 minus 11, that is 4. Okay, एक ये वाले लेते a4, so that it will be written a4 minus a3, that is 19 minus 15, that is 4. So we will observe that we have observed that we will write here the difference of that the difference of k plus 1 minus ak. Okay, let ak is 2 and k is 1 and k is 1, that means ये क्या हो जाएगा, इसका लोग अगर लिखेंगे तो अगर k की वैल्यू 1 है तो ये हो जाएगा 2 माइनस a2 a1, ठीक है, ये हो जाएगा. तो हम लोग इसके वेरिएबल्स की फॉर्म में इज सेम, so that a plus an is equals to 3 plus 4n is an FA. ठीक है, अब उसके बाद फिर क्या फाइंड आउट करने बोला इस पे, फाइंड आउट द फर्स्ट सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट 15 टर्म्स. ओके, तो यहां से क्या पता आपको, a पता है, दिस इज a फर्स्ट टर्म, a is equals to 7 पहले ही बताया था, and d is equals to 4. ओके, a is equals to 7, d is equals to 4, and बोला है क्या, फर्स्ट 15 terms. So n is equals to 15. These three values put in this equation, we will get the 15 sum of the 15 terms. Okay, so then we will find out our answers. Okay dear students, तो ऐसे ही आप सेकंड और इसका सम भी फाइंड आउट करेंगे. Now question number 11. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. Okay, given data is given. If the sum of the first n terms that means it is S1, okay, is given by 4n minus n square. Okay, क्या दिया हुआ है, if the sum of the first n terms, ठीक है, sum of n terms is 4n minus n square. So क्या बोला हुआ है of an AP? So what is the first term? First term, that is S1. Okay, so a is the first term and S1 is also first term according to question. So putting the value of 1 minus 1 square, that is A is equals to S1, 4 minus 1, that is A is equals, and S1 is equals to 3. So first term is 3. Okay. So second term, S2 is equals to okay, S2 is equals to 4. And what is second term? Second term is given by इसी से यह second term is given by A2 is equals to, let यहाँ से देखो, ठीक है, S2 is equals to A1 plus A2. Okay, so what is A1? A1 is this value 3 and S2 is this value. Okay, so a value, put the value here, 4 is equals to A1. A1 is 3 plus A2. Okay, so A2 is 4 minus 3, that is A2 is 1. Okay, so find out D here from. Okay, तो D यहाँ से find out कर लेते हैं. तो D find out करने के लिए क्या होगा? What is, how we find out D? D is find out by through the A2 minus A1. So D is a, D किस लिए बोल रहा हूँ? क्योंकि हमें क्या निकालना है? Nth टर्म्स निकालने, एंड थर्ड टर्म्स, एंड कौन सा टर्म्स बोला हुआ इस पे? एक और the another term is 10th terms. Okay, so D is, D और A पता होगा तो कोई भी टर्म्स निकाल सकते हैं वहां से. ठीक है, तो D का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ से? What is D? D is a A2. A2 is a 1 minus A1 is a 3. तो D is a minus 2. Okay, so D is a minus 2, A is a 3. So from here we can find out, we know A is first term and second term is 1. Okay, so our series is 3 1 and difference is minus 2. Okay, so that we can write here difference is minus 2. So we can directly write it here. Third term is given by A3 is equals to, how will write it? This can be write it, A3 is A plus n minus 1. So n is equals to third, this is third term, and D. Okay, so A third is, A is 3 plus 3 minus 1, that is 2, and D is 1. Okay, so A3 is 3 to 5. Oh, sorry. This one is minus 2. Okay, this one is minus 2. So this one is become minus 4. So A3 is minus 1. Okay, this is our answer, first and second answer. वैसे आपको क्या करना है? A10 निकाल लेना है यहाँ से. A10 is given by A plus 10 minus 1, डी, ठीक है। सेम वैल्यू पुट कर लेना, यहाँ से ए का वैल्यू पुट करेंगे 3, डी के वैल्यू पुट करेंगे -2, the number we will got here, that is 10 term, and same like for nth term is given by same a plus the value of n is n minus 1 d, okay, so this is nth terms. So put the value of here, every value, then we get a n is equals to value of a is 3 plus n minus 1 d, okay. So this one is a n is 3 plus value of d is -2, okay. So that here n minus 2n प्लस 2, ओके, ब्रैकेट यहाँ से रिमूव करेंगे, सो n इज इक्वल्स टू 3 प्लस 3 to 5 हो गया, 5 प्लस 5 माइनस 2n, ओके, दिस इज अवर nth टर्म वैल्यू, ओके, सो दिस इज अवर आंसर, दिस इज आंसर, दिस इज आंसर, दिस इज आल्सो आंसर, एंड फाइनली अवर क्वेश्चन इज सॉल्व्ड, ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 solution, okay, so what is 12th question? 12th question is sum of first 40 positive numbers, okay, integers divisible by 6. So first 40 is divisible by 6 is divisible by 6, the integers are 6, the table 6 1 just 6, 12, 18, 24 and up to so on 40 numbers, okay. So here a is equals to 6, d is equals to 6, 12 minus 6, okay, and n is equals to 40, okay. So put the value here, value of a is known, n is known, okay, and d is known, put the value here, and the sum of 40 numbers which is divisible by 6, this is given here, okay. वैसे आपको क्या करना है, फाइंड द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 15 मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 8, 8 का 15 यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, सेकंड वाले क्वेश्चन में ये 15 हो जाएगा, और यहाँ पर ये चेंजेस होगा कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 के लिए 8 का 12 मतलब क्या हो जाएगा, 15 मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 8, 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 8 3 जा 24, okay, and up to so on 15 terms, okay. So here d is 8 and n is 15, put the value in this question, then you will get the find your answer. This is very easy. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 to 50, ठीक है। अब आप odd numbers जो है 0 से 50 वो आप काउंट कर लेंगे 50 के बीच में, ठीक है, वही आपके लिए होमवर्क है। फाइनली अवर दिस चैप्टर इज ओवर।